What's up, guys?
What's up?
Me and my boy Cody.
Hi, how are you?
What up, guys?
We're gonna go camping tonight. The bed's broke. I'll show you that in a second. The pegs in them broke, so we're gonna do it. Try a different method, see how that works. But anyways, we are just gonna have some fun. We're gonna shoot some guns. Yee yee, son! Woohoo!
America, baby.
America.
America.
Show them your holster. Talk about America. This is
Talking
real.
about America, baby.
This is real
Look
America.
At this.
That's sweet.
With the Glock 19, 15 rounds of pure American power.
Wow.
Pure American power, son, America. So we laid down some like red mulch instead of hay because it needed some more because it was starting to get a little bit muddy in here again. So I put some red mulch in here. It works pretty good. The fireplace and chimney is still holding together pretty good. We added a little bit more clay yesterday to it, and it's looking real good. Real good. Pretty hard. I mean, if I really push in, you can leave a little bit of an indentation, but not too bad. But right here's what I mean about the legs breaking. Let's see if I just pick it up. Hold on. See, they just snapped right off. Same with over here. See, they just kind of snapped off. I don't know. I think me and Ethan actually slept on them broken, so that's not good. So we're just going to redo the bed a little bit. It shouldn't take too long.
Stay. You recording?
Yes.
They won't stay, guys.
So what are you even doing?
So, we are skinning the bark off some good old pieces of wood. They're going to be the stands of our new beds.
Heck yeah, bo.
Yeah.
Yee son. The reason we're stripping off the bark in the first place is because bark holds in moisture if the tree is dead. So.
And they're very slippery and wet right now, which means they are holding moisture.
Yep.
So.
Proof.
Proof, guys. It's like science. We're like the new Bill Nye.
Bill Nye, the science guy. Oh, look at that bark. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Watch this, guys.
Savannah's out here with us.
You want to see something very satisfying? Watch it.
That's pretty pathetic.
Shut up. I'm new at this bushcraft stuff, guys. But you know, I'll probably be out here a lot more because I'm going to get him a lot more views than he does on his own. Milky milkshake.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Braxton, what are you doing?
Testing the bounciness of the bed.
Alright guys, so while Braxton's laying down, he's going to explain what we did.
So we cut 2 big old logs.
Big old logs right there.
And then we debarked them.
Debarked them.
And we got the same, what would these be called? These
Yes, the supporting
the
post.
supporting logs. That
You
are
can see
supporting
them a little on the end right there.
We used the same ones that were already on the beds because they were still okay. But we debarked them because we didn't debark them a long time ago. So we debarked them now. And then we drilled holes into the big logs at each end.
Using a hand drill because this is bushcraft.
Yeah, bushcraft. Got some wooden pegs, hammered it through to hold the supporting beams with the end logs, and then just laid all these little slats on here. And then we kind of just tied them off with this rope, with this string, but I don't think we did a good job at it.
We'll work on that later.
Work on that later.
All we're trying to do tonight is survive sleeping
Yeah, because we showed up this morning. We were going to build a sawhorse today, but we showed up this morning.
a shaving horse.
Yeah,
We're
a
gonna build a
shaving horse, sorry. We were going to make a shaving horse. Speaking of sawhorse, the sawhorse broke.
It broke, guys. It's lasted a good while. She lived a good life. Now,
Yeah.
may she rest in wood heaven.
Wood heaven. So now we have to make a new sawhorse. But what we were originally going to do was make a shaving horse, but we got here this morning and these beds were broken.
We decided after we built our fireplace yesterday.
Oh yeah, we added the mud and stuff was caked off of it and everything. We didn't do a really super good job mudding it last time, so we remudded everything and smoothed it out, made it look pretty and everything. It was made out of mud, hay, and a little bit of mortar mix. We really did not even use that much.
It was more mud and hay than anything.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to make sure it stayed.
Yeah, and that it actually stuck and didn't whenever it rains, didn't just come off like it did in the previous part.
But we really need to talk to you guys about this. He expects me to come out here and camp with him a lot now, but he couldn't even make me a full-size bed. So my head and my feet are just going to be hanging off during the night.
You poor thing, you'll be alright. Hey, we weren't expecting to have a giant
Sorry,
here.
you know, call me Yao Ming, call me Chris Bosch, whatever you want to call me. I'm just Kobe on the court.
Oh.
But But in the bed, I'm a little too long. So take that how you want, guys. Sorry, that was an awkward silence. You take that how you please.
That's a not family friendly jokes. So now it's time for some fun in the sun.
Well, not really. It's winter in Tennessee, so it could rain, it could snow. Who knows?
Yeah.
So all we're waiting for now is it to get cold so we can freeze. But you know what? We got a fireplace.
We got a fireplace, son.
And now, boys and girls and friends of all ages, it's time to shoot some guns. Yeah.
old beds will feed our fire.
Our-
Will feed our
The
warmth
beds have
tonight.
sacrificed our warmth tonight.
This is one of the bed legs.
That's my
Oh,
big.
yeah.
That's my big strong man. Oh yeah.
All right, so we got we got the usual, just a regular tender bundle. Look at those fibers, Bo. Look at those fibers.
Those are nice, good fibers.
That's gonna catch a spark real nice, son.
Yeah, boys.
All right, so we got some charcoal at the bottom. Then we got a bunch of cedar wood chips to grill our hamburgers over, and then just a bunch of wood shavings just to help it all catch together. So I'm gonna light this little paper thing and just stick it in there, and hopefully it'll all catch. Should all catch pretty easily. Oh yeah. This isn't bushcraft, but it's a new little grill thing that I got. You can actually use both sides, but we're only going to need one side tonight. But this is what it looks like. It's just kind of titanium. It's got little sticks off the ground. There's little holes on the side to have ventilation. It's a charcoal grill, so we put a little bit of charcoal in the bottom, and then
Not a sponsored ad.
no, not a sponsored ad. And then you just put the little grill grate right on top of it whenever you're ready to cook. But we're going to make sure that this is good first, and then we'll cook the burger, son. It's going to be so good.
We'll be back to you when we're cooking the burgers. Oh.
Okay, let's put these bad boys on here. Oh. Should I cook them all at once, or?
That's pure American beef right there.
America! Pure American beef right there.
Pure American beef. That was a good cow. We named her Jessie.
And then we ate her.
Then we killed her.
And all of her children. She was only worth $4.85.
That was only part of her.
That was a cheap cow, if you know what I'm saying.
We found her on the corner.
I love the subliminal messages.
Look at her going.
Should I cook more at the same time?
Yeah, cook more at the same time, man. Hey, we'll come back to you when the burgers are closer to being done. Alright guys, we're coming back to you with the burgers. Basically, almost pretty done.
This one could go a little bit longer.
A little bit longer. But you know guys, we're going to go ahead and eat. We'll probably check in with you guys before we go to sleep tonight.
Oh yeah, this one's good right here.
So
we gotta show y'all how that chimney works.
So it's time to eat for a little bit. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. We just want to give you an update on food.
A little bit.
A little bit. See you guys.
We got 2 burgers apiece, and I mean, this thing's good.
Heck yeah. Really good, y'all. Really good.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's like golden.
Ripping.
Golden goodness, son. Golden goodness, son.
Ripping. That's a fire.
Oh yeah. Gonna be good. Alright, we're about to move it inside, guys. Alright guys, so we're back inside the shelter. It's real nice in here. It's a little roasty toasty, you know what I'm saying? So we're just kind of chilling out here. Well, in here I should say. Yeah. Nice roasty toasty.
It's a lightsaber.
Get it? It's a light saber. Anyways, we're just gonna chill for a little bit.
Probably a lot of it, to be honest.
Excuse you.
We've had a long day.
Yeah, we've had a long day, but we're just gonna kick back, listen to some music. All right, we'll catch y'all later. It's probably in the morning.
Catch you on the flip side. Deuces, y'all. Yes, girl. Yes. See you in the morning.
Morning, guys. So we got up. Yeah, we had we laid a blanket over the entrance and just like had to go all the way across just to help trap in some of the heat. It worked pretty good. Were you warm tonight? Were you warm last night, Cody?
Oh yeah, man. I was like toasty.
Roasty toasty.
I was roasty toasty
Roasty
like
toasty.
a beanie weenie.
Speaking of beanie weenies, we are
That was a good transition. I know.
cooking some beanie weenies in there in our pot. Coffee cooking. And over here, Cody is grilling up some eggs. Is that right? Grilling up some eggs?
I guess you could say grilling because it's a dang grill. So
I mean, it is a grill, so yeah. But we got it going on
like Donkey Kong.
like Donkey Kong saying. I was warm. Here's my bed. Everything's good. The new bed's worked out perfectly.
Oh, it was very sturdy.
Where's yours too short, Cody?
No, it's pretty good because I curl up when I sleep. So
Good. Yeah, mine was pretty good too. But mine was the same length as it used to be. It's just we can just put you know, just the big beams. They were real sturdy though they were working great. But yeah, it kind of looks like a mess in here right now, but that's okay. This red mulch looks really good. Got a little path down there. And yeah. It's a beautiful morning. Put a little red mulch over here. Yep. Chopped up some firewood. It was a good morning. Well, not really. I had some issues that I had to deal with the bank. Apparently somebody hacked in my account. It's all solved now though. It's all resolved. It's all good.
he's still whining.
Yeah, I'm still whining, of course, because I mean, why not, right? But anyways, I think we're gonna eat. Maybe shoot some more guns.
No, we are.
Oh, get it? We AR. No, but yeah, y'all see it, and yeah, that'll probably wrap up this episode. So thanks for watching, guys. Broke Boys Bushcraft signing off.
Deuces.